Not to do it. You have to. Let me try it. Asian mechanism. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, I had to go out the phone. You can film that off? Send it to me, okay? So I can put it in the video.
It didn't hurt. It's just serious. It's just serious. Okay.
Why? Put it to your skin because if not, it feels like it kicks in from the top. Okay, good.
Do I have to like
Try to go to your...
Oh, it's working. It's working. You see it? Do I go down? You put like a little ball.
Yeah, like go here, like try to like go for it.
Like if it were a razor.
Yeah.
Like if it were a razor.
Yeah.
Okay. See, I thought this was just like a Uncle Friday. Oh my god. This hurts.
Smack it out.
Bye, idea. You like talking powder or something? Why do I have to slide it?
Because it hurts. Like, yeah. So like...
No, I think she told everyone. Lock the door, lock the door.
Okay, wait. Just stop your hair. Just stop your hair.